iCUE 4 unlocks the full spectrum of lighting for our ambient lighting products, allowing you to set the mood with synchronized lighting and immersive video effects powered by our LS100 smart lighting strips. To begin setting up your LS100 smart lighting strips, hover your mouse cursor over the tile for your LS100 starter kit and select Lighting Setup. Pick the LS100 configuration with the type of monitor you have from the 2 available channels. You can select single monitor, dual monitors, an ultra-wide monitor, or external RGB light strips. In my case, I'm using a single monitor, so that's what I'll pick. Then we can move on to the second tab labeled Lighting Channel 1. Here's where you can customize your lighting profiles for your LS100. Click the Add button to create a new lighting layer. You can either choose from our predefined lighting effects, or you can create your own by scrolling down to Custom. Once you've decided on your lighting effect, you can then pick out which specific lighting strips or individual LEDs to apply the effect to. You can repeat this process and add more lighting layers based on how you want your lighting effects to look and which LED strips to apply them to. Each lighting effect will have additional adjustments in the third box beside it to further customize your RGB lighting experience. For example, you can change the speed, brightness, and direction of these effects to your liking. One of the new lighting effects features the video lighting mode, where your LS100 will match the colors on your screen based on what media content you're watching or what games you're playing to give you a more immersive experience. If you want to change the lighting behavior of your LS100 smart lighting strips for situations when your system is in sleep mode or when you don't have iCUE running, go to the Hardware Lightings tab. Select a lighting type in the Lighting Type window. If you wish for your LS100 lighting strips to turn off while in sleep mode, select Static Color and set all RGB values to 0. The Device Settings tab is where you would check for any updates as well as adjust the overall brightness of your LS100 lighting strips. And that's it for the LS100 in iCUE 4. Be sure to check out Corsair Lab for more guides and tutorials. And for more information about iCUE 4, check out corsair.com/iCUE. Thanks for watching.